In math, equality and balance are really the same thing, and equality and balance are arguably the most important concepts in math. And as with most really important things in math, they're relatively simple, but we use them all the time. So when we talk about equations, we're talking about balance, and the model we're going to use is a balance, and the picture that we're going to use is a balance. And almost all the properties of balances, like the physical properties of weights on balances, can be shown in an equation. So we're going to talk about some properties of the balance. So we're going to call these ones properties 1 and 2, which is adding and subtracting. And when we have a balance, so usually we're going to start with some balance. So I'm starting with this balance, x and y are balanced. Okay, they're the same. If we add something to one side, so example, I add plus 5 to the x side, as long as I do exactly the same to the other side, it's going to stay balanced. So it's not going to tip over to one side or the other. Same with minus. If I start with x and y being balanced, if I add a minus 2 to one side and I put a minus 2 on the other side, as long as I do the same to both sides, it won't tip over. There's only one rule in math. In equations, when we start with an equation, we have to keep it balanced. And we want to try to preserve this equals for balance. So not as the answer to some calculation, but as balance. So the main rule, keep it balanced.